Hello again. So in this video or demo, we will see how someone who cannot use their hands, maybe because they're amputees, they don't have limbs, or they don't have very good fine motor skills, or they just, because of some injury, they cannot use their hands to physically operate a keyboard or mouse, how would that person enter information or operate a PowerApps app, right? So for that purpose, we will use this software called Smyle Mouse. To my right, you will see this window where you can, well, first of all, you can see me, but you'll also see these green lines around my eyebrows and my mouth. So Smyle Mouse is a software that uses a Windows computer or tablet's webcam to track your eye movement as well as your mouth movement to perform some actions. In our case, what we're doing is so we have this Power Apps app with a few fields, estimated revenue, estimated close date, and whether it's a hot or cold opportunity. We'll just fill this information and then click submit by using just our eyes and our mouth. Okay, so what I would do is, as a person who doesn't have limbs or someone who cannot use their hands, I would just use my eyes to bring my focus to the estimated revenue field and then smile. Okay, to bring the mouse pointer or the focus to that field, right? And then I'll say on my on-screen keyboard, I come and say, okay, so the eye movement moves the mouse, and the smile or the movement of my mouth registers as a click. So what I did was I brought up the on-screen keyboard and I focused on one key, 5 or 0, and then I just smiled to register it as a click to enter the value of 50,000 in estimated revenue. Similarly, I'll move my mouse by moving my eyes and bringing it to the estimated close date control. Smile, right? Okay, let me just minimize this on-screen keyboard first. Okay, and now I say, all right, so the estimated close date is not in September, but in October 31st. Okay, all right. And is it a hot deal or hot opportunity? Yes, it is. So I'm gonna move my eyes to the hot control. Let's try this again. Okay, and then I click submit. All right, there it is. Okay, so I wasn't using my hands. So also, just know that, I am an able-bodied person. I don't have much practice with this Smile mouse, so that's why I was a little slow. But once you practice a lot with this control, you become much more efficient and you are able to click and move the mouse much more efficiently and much more quicker. Okay, so what I demonstrated here is that without using your hands, but by just using your eyes and your mouth, you can actually operate an app, or not just an app, but anything on a Windows device, whether it's a computer or a tablet. You can use any of that to enter information and just to maneuver things around and operate an app that's built with